Not smelling anything. There's the police coming. Oh, it's not coming this way. It's buttery. Temps are okay. Nothing crazy going on right now, but we've got a broken down bus, low battery, throw you on the charger, fix that. Yeah, I think I need to figure out what's going on with the dash. I also need to fix what the hell that is. I have my glasses cleaner in here. This should work. A little bit, not terrible, not amazing. All right, I smell a little coolant now, but I want to say it's just excess coolant burning off. I'm going to stop and check once I get to my destination, and then I'll be able to tell for real. Yeah, I can smell it pretty nicely now. But the engine bay is like littered with coolant, so I don't think it's leaking. I think that's just how it is right now. Cool. And I guess I used to think so oddly about influencers and like, you know, like Stradman and stuff where they'd be yelling. But honestly, without an external mic, I kind of gotta yell because I know damn well you can't hear me. No smoke out of the hood, which is a good sign. Always like to see that. Dude, the only thing that's on the C63, when I would like put my seat down, it would go like, it would be on the floor. This, however, again, it's more of a Grand Tourer. It's not on the floor. It's all right. It's just one of those things that I wish it was a little lower on the ground. Don't make fun of my shifts. I'm just testing it out right now. We'll do a little pull onto the highway coming up here. My downshifts have gotten pretty nice, not gonna lie. Not heel toeing anytime soon, but we go down pretty nicely. Cannot lie to you. Here we go. I'm not gonna launch or anything, just. Oh, here I thought we went. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I'll check back in when I get to my location, but for now, it seems to be working okay. Nothing crazy. And yeah, that's it. And whenever I downshift in third to second, but everything checks out. Did a little downshifts, drove on the highway, taking it through all the gears. Nothing's leaking, no lights on. I'm gonna check when I stop here whether or not I leak. Shouldn't be leaking. And I'm gonna check anyway. So cool. Nice and tucked. I'm gonna pop this real quick. Make sure we're not leaking. I can still smell coolant, but that's probably just because of all the dried coolant that's gonna heat up and evaporate or dissolve. FSI engine noises. Nothing new here. Nothing new there. Hopefully nothing down there. And yeah, checks out, we're good. Sick.